Good afternoon, class. How are you today? Did you sleep well? I hope you did. And did you eat your lunch? Okay, so I hope you did as well. So I am back, Teacher LM, your teacher for math class. So this morning we learned how to skip counting by twos, right? So this morning you learned about how to skip counting by twos. So before that, we're going to proceed to our lesson for this afternoon. Let's count again by twos. Okay, so count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So this morning we learned how to skip counting by twos until number 50. Are you ready to learn a new lesson for this afternoon? Okay, good. So let's start. Okay, so this afternoon you are going to learn how to count by 5. Yes, skip counting by 5. That would be our lesson for this afternoon. Okay, so how to skip counting by 5? Let's read the numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so that is how we will count, skip counting by 5 from number 5 until number 100. Okay, class, one more time. Let's read again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, good job. So now let's practice how to count 5 or how you are going to count by 5. Okay, so this is how it looks like the line graph. Okay, line graph. So for example, an arrow is from 0 to 5. So let's start counting by 5. And again, let's count counting by 5. Like from number 5 here to number 10. Like for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will do plus 5 to make the next number 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. So that is how to count by 5. Okay, good. All right, there and there. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's practice count by 5. So here are the blanks you need to fill up. Okay, what are the missing numbers? So for example, 5, what is the next number to 5? 10. What is the next number to 10? 15. What is the next number to 15? Count by 5, 20. Then 25. 30. What is the next number to 30? 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. What number? 60. Next to 60. 65. Next to 65. 70, 75, 80. Next to 80. 85. Next to 85. 90, 95. Yes, 100. Okay, let's practice more. Heart skip counting by 5. What is the missing numbers here? You just need to count by 5 before 10. What number? It's 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What number is next here? It's 30. Next to 30, it's 35, 40, 45. What is the missing number? 50. Next to 50, 55. Next number to 55 is 60. Then 65, then 70. What is the missing number? 75, 80, 85. What number? 90. Next to 90 is 95. Next to 95 is 100. Okay, great. So that is how you're going to count. Skip counting by 5 kids. I hope you learned something this afternoon. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoy and you learn from this video. Have a nice day, kids. Goodbye.